Hello everyone, my name is Luyện. For today's video, we're going to be talking about factors in math. So I believe when you guys are learning math, you guys will see this a lot, and it's also something really important in your progress of learning for other important math concepts and for other hard problems. So this is factors. So what is factors? Numbers factor is usually would be more than two, and they are the numbers there would be more than two factors of a number. So a number will have at least two factors, and the factors are when they multiply up, they will have the product of that number. So let's see. Let me do the example for you guys. So here we have is the factor of 1 and 33, which this number only has two factors. So remember, a number's factors, they always include first is the number 1, because number 1 could divide all types of number. So all of these numbers down here, or even all other numbers, will have the factor of 1. And next, it will always have the factor of itself, because you know, right, 33 is divisible by 33. So now, that is about the first two factors of a number. Well, next we're going to be looking. We are going to be seeing here. So we could try, because you will see that this number here isn't even. So we would skip number 2 for sure. And here I would see that 33 is dividable by 3. Right? Because you see its rules. When we add it up, 3 plus 3 is equals to 6, and 6 could be divided by 3. So that means 3 is also a factor of it. Well, now if we already get this, we would be able to find another pair of factor through the progress of multiplying. So you guys could divide, like, okay, 33 here. What times 3 equals 33? Well, we have 11, right? So the number here will be 11. So these are the factors of 33. Let's practice with 26. Well, as always, it will have the first two factors, which are 1 and the number itself, which is 26. Next, you can see that 26 is an even number, so 2 is possible. So what numbers times 2 equals to 26? Well, that's it. It's 13. Well, next, let's consider. We have 3, so let's try to add here. 2 plus 6 is not divisible by 3, so we'll skip 3 and we'll skip another pair factor here. So moving on, we have this number 4. So number 4 here, you could see that is divisible by 26, right? So it's 6. So now you can see here from 6 to 13, it couldn't be having any other factors. So these are the factors of the number 26. And last, for number 15. As always, we have 1 and 50. So next number is for sure the even numbers, right? You can see 0 there, so it's an even number, so it could be divisible by 2. And what times 2 is 20, is 50, is 25. Okay, so that's another factor of 50. Next, it can't be divisible by 3, but it could be divisible by 5, because 5 could divide numbers that end with 0 and 5. So here we have is 5, and what times 5 equals 15? Yeah, 10. So that's it. That's all of the numbers here. So finding factors is really easy, and so finding factors will help you guys to be able to learn more other important concepts of math in the future. Well, that's basic about factors. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.